Happy birthday, Mami. Pasensya na hindi ako makarating dito sa celebration kasi alam mo naman sa seminaryo hindi kami basta-basta nakakalabas at medyo mahigpit ang schedules. Pero ayun, sana makarating sa iyo itong greeting. Happy birthday. Sana mas marami pang taon ang ma-spend natin together sa ating pamilya at mas maraming taon pa na makapag-serve kay Lord. At ayun, nagpapasalamat ako dahil sa pagtatiyaga mo sa amin, sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo na ginagawa mo. So may tatlong bagay ako na ano na hinahangaan kita doon sa tatlong bagay na yon. Una, yung openness. Openness kasi talagang sinasabi mo sa amin kung nahihirapan ka, kung meron kang problema. So, hindi kayong tao na mahirap basahin. So, very open. And pangalawa, yung perseverance. So, minsan, na-i-interpret siya as kulit, no? Parang nakukulitan kami or ibang tao. Pero, I think, lang yon. It's a sign na nagpe-persevere ka whenever you feel that something had to be done or something is wrong or right. Meron kang talagang perseverance to pursue kung ano man yung dapat gawin. And then ang pangatlo is yung humility. Humility kasi kahit na na kami ay mga anak, kami ay pinapakinggan mo rin. So yung mga suggestions namin, yung mga opinion namin sa mga bagay-bagay. So pinapakinggan mo kami at ino-honor mo rin yung mga sinasabi namin. So yun yung mga tatlong bagay na pinagpapasalamat ko na na meron ka as my mother. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Go. Happy birthday, Mami. Sorry hindi po kami nakapunta. Bawi kami pag nakauwi na kami. Thank you sa lahat, pati sa pagmamahal sa amin. Thank you sa support. Alam ko na yung best para sa amin yung inaangad mo lagi. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your senior years. Nandito lang kami lagi para sa iyo. We love you, Ma.
Love you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Good morning! Selamat pagi! Maligayang umaga po! DJ, happy birthday! Salamat ulang taon and maligayang kaarawan!
Salamat ulang taon.
We pray that DJ and family would always be blessed with all the best in life. Stay beautiful! Happy birthday to you and me! Yay!
Happy birthday, Tiche. Happy at 60th birthday. Senior citizen ka na. Bongga ang party mo, surprise party mo. Enjoy your celebration there with family, with your friends. Sana nandyan ako, pero okay na rin. At least, may video message naman ako. Sana kung nandyan ako, makikikain din ako, diba? Kaso, okay. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo, sa lahat ng advice mo, sa lahat ng mga errands na pinapakiusap ko sa'yo. Happy birthday! Love you, bye-bye.
Hola, Mayra! Aida! Happy birthday! Long time no see. Siguro sana sa susunod na pag-uwi namin, magkita-kita naman tayo. Ikaw?
Happy birthday, Aida.
Mayra.
God bless you.
Ingat kayo riyan.
Sana sa pag-uwi namin, makita-kita tayo ng family ko at saka ng mga kapatid mo. Nag-banding nga pala kami nung uwi namin. Kaya sana nandun kayong lahat. Para
Wala ka
masaya.
nga pala noon nung magkita-kita kami ni Joanne, saka ni Mayra, yung mga anak niya. Ikaw lang ang wala doon, hindi ka namin nakasama. Naroon din si Mark.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ingat kayo! God bless!
Enjoy!
Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Myra. Sorry.
hindi ako makaka-attend. Have a good time sa iyong birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka.
Happy birthday, Ate Myra. Kain tayo. Kahit birthday mo. Pasensya na, hindi ako makakapagbalot ngayon. Hindi ako makakapunta dyan. Walang balot, walang janitor fish. Pero binabati kita ngayon sa kaarawan mo. Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. At sa ngayon, 49 na tayo. Susunod, magpi-50 na. Kaya mo na sila, huwag mong pag-intindihan ng mga comment nila sa pagiging 50 years old. I wish you a happy birthday ngayong araw. Enjoy. Relax and enjoy. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Myra. Happy 60th. Glad to see you made it. And hopefully you'll live another 60.
Yes, congratulations. Happy birthday. You are 60 now.
Yeah, you catching up.
Yes.
So enjoy your day. Okay.
Enjoy, yes.
All right. We love you.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, Myra. Happy 60th birthday.
Na si Myra. 60th birthday. Yeah. 60? Oh my God. Although we're not gonna be over there, our spirit is there with you. Happy birthday.
Yes. And happy holidays coming up. So
All
just
right.
take care of yourself. Make sure that you can stay in good health, so that you can enjoy every moment of your life. Okay.
All right.
Bless you.
Bye. Bye. Christmas, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and happy birthday.
Hi Myra, happy birthday. I'm wishing you a real nice birthday today, my dear niece. I wish you lots of happiness today and all the year through as you take steps into another year of your life. More success to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Balloon for your birthday, Auntie Maya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday,
dear Auntie Myra.
Happy birthday to you. Hugs and kisses for your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Myra.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi, Myra. We just want to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your party.
Hi, Myra. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you good health and hopefully you have a birthday blast. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Mai. Happy 60th birthday. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. May your 60s be filled with joy, good health, and happiness, and may your journey to be as remarkable as you are. Your life has been a true example of resilience and grace, and I'm so grateful to be on this journey with you. 6 decades of life, love, and laughter deserve more than just a cake and candles. And for more than 3 decades that we grew up together in PITC, I can't forget our travel together with Philippine Army in USA, Italy, Serbia, and Spain. It was an amazing experience. So keep it honest and grounded the way you are. Again, I wish you endless happiness, good health, and the love to those who cherish you. May your heart always be full and your spirit always be young. Happy birthday, Mai! Bye-bye.
Kasi hindi naririnig yung boses pag Maui. Aloha from Maui. Happy birthday, Mai. We just arrived in Maui this morning. I was here since Thanksgiving in California to bond with my family, my siblings. So I met my sister here, and we're here to be together. I know how important the family means to us and you. We are very close family, you know? And I wish I could be there, but I'll be there in spirit. I wish you the best on your birthday. Have fun, and welcome to the senior club. Enjoy. Aloha.
Aloha.